2017 Peugeot Partner 1.6 BlueHDi. It's the L2 long wheelbase crew cab. So firstly, bodywork, excellent. It is a Cat N for a bumper, but I'll point that out as I get round. Other than that, excellent. Tiny little mark on the rear door there, that's it. Again, down this side, nothing at all. Not even a car park indent. Excellent condition. So this one was a light front end. I've got pictures on request. When I list it on eBay, you can contact me, I'll send pictures. But basically it was a light front end here, so the crash bar behind there was replaced, complete front bumper off of 2018 and a headlight off of 2018. So basically front end replaced there. In fact, it's only got a couple of little marks on the front there. I'll get those touched in, that's it. So bodywork spot on, as stated, correctly repaired there, ex Cat N. So interior immaculate. This has all been professionally valeted. Everything. I never put the carpet. I never leave mats in. I take those out so you can see the condition of the floor. See there, the pedals and the floor itself. There's no wear on that, and the same with the passenger side when I get round there. No bolster wear on the seats. Armrest good. I've done a little video of it starting. I'll include now. So yeah, all the usual stuff with the Peugeot. You've got the augs and the input there. The noise machine all works. You've got your electric windows here, door lock-ins there, rear, and lock-in when you're in. Hazards, 12-volt socket there. All the fan works, all the speed's good. Glove box there, your upper storage here like the caddies. Door cards all good. Headrest, really tidy. And your storage cupboard in the centre there. So yeah, nothing worth pointing out, as you can see. All very good condition. And your upper little storage box there as well. I think the Fords do that as well. Okay, yeah, so all good on the driver's side and the cab there. The rear you've got the three. I'll go around actually and open it the other side, you'll see that better. Yeah. There's 3 seats in the back. A 3-seater in the back, sorry, a double here, single over there. And it's all carpeted coming through. Carpet on the footwells there for the rear passengers. These seats come forward. It's going to be difficult for me to do one-handed as I'm using my phone, but that drops down. You pull this handle here, the seat goes forward to that position, and you can take the seats out. So perfect. Well, yeah, multi-use vehicle. I'm just going to put that seat back up. So yeah, all the seat belts all good, centre and for the single there. Rear doors immaculate. All inside all good. Ply panels still there. I've carpeted the back, it gives it sort of multi-use, apart from not vacuuming it out, but yeah, that's all freshly carpeted, so you could use this van for pretty much anything. Yeah, anything, sports van, dog van, flower van, builder van. You know, put a load liner there, you could carry anything in it. Okay, I think that's about it. pictures done now and get it on eBay, and it will be listed on eBay. Create the link there for it. So yeah, all good. You can see the driver's seat there. No shoes. Roof good, no dents. Yeah, lovely van. And the mileage is 98,000. Just serviced. Everything, oil and filters. Sadly, being an auction vehicle, you don't pick up the service history with quite a few. It's pot luck with that, but clearly you can see this one's been looked after. And I can offer UK nationwide delivery. If you contact me, I normally just charge the price of the fuel and the train ticket back home. So nationwide delivery for sort of between £50 and £200 maybe to Scotland. Okay. So if you're looking for one of these, this is ideal. Also got another Peugeot on an 18 plate, standard length van that will be for sale in maybe 4 or 5 days. Okay, thanks for watching.